Look, Sarah J. Zach, leave her alone. Let her do it.
Abby, watch out, honey.
Zach, let Sarah play with it. Come here.
Sarah.
She's walking it. Here, look. Woo! Should we see if she can ride it?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Let's see if you like to ride it. This is kind of impressive. Mom. Sit down. Look at her. Turn around. Look at that. Look at that.
Yay!
Don't push her. Don't push her. Just leave her. I think it's a hit, Mom. And Pops. Zach, don't push her.